think he's chasing someone.
He's chasing me.
Oh.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
What's going on? What's the situation, boys?
Well, you see,
I have 3 crows on me right now.
Dude, Chainsaw Man scary. Ah!
Yeah,
Chainsaw Man.
We're playing against Hillbilly, so he has a chainsaw that can one-shot you. But he charges up.
One shot me. Oh,
No! What? I put down that thing
God.
on him. That was gay.
And I've been trying to fix generators, and it hasn't gone so well.
I see you, Dole. Dole, I'm behind you over here. See me?
What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries.
Next to the generator. Oh,
Man, that's awkward.
that is awkward.
He's still looking for me. But you know, your boy's a master disguise, so I'm just gonna
Damn. He was right next to me somewhere, bro. My heartbeat's going crazy right now.
Oh, hello, yeah! He found me. Fun fact.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, fuck.
I'm scared.
Chasing you right now?
He's not chasing me right now. I'm just hiding in a locker.
Oh, fuck.
Oh yeah, clap. Oh yeah, everybody clap my cheeks.
I'm a medic, bro. I'm really fast at this. Yo, clap my cheeks.
Who else? Oh, we're clapping Duel's cheeks now.
Hell yeah, we love clapping cheeks.
Hey guys.
Oh, with the great skill check, because I'm goated. He saw us, bro. He saw us. He saw us. He sees us. He sees us.
No shot, bro.
No shot. No way. What just happened, bro?
Alright, let's go do generators.
I hear the heartbeat.
No way. Is this retarded?
What?
Oh, he's picking me up. He's picking me up.
Saving Private Travis, bro.
Please help me! Fuck! That scared the shit out of me! Oh my god, I just pooped my pants!
Bro just went right past you. Oh.
Travis, I can clap your cheeks. I'm sorry.
Hey,
Ow.
you sack of shit.
I'm dead.
Yo, come on, man. I can't have shit in this house.
Get fucking pooped on! No!
Did I not save you? Was that not good enough?
Dude, he instantly came right back after me.
Yo, he was pissed.
Keep healing, just keep healing, bitch. He's just running around the map.
Oh, he's coming to you. Sort of. Yeah, he's coming to you.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, I have a great view of this. Oh. Oh.
Bro, how did he know I was there? I swear, if he takes me to the same hook that he's been hooking us all game on.
I had all my skill checks and I still died.
shit your pants twice. You shit your pants for me right there.
Oh my god. Dude, how did she know you were right there? That made no sense. You just came up out of nowhere.
Homie just locked on. I was like,